Uniswap could dip 11.2% tomorrow, according to Gulf Capital Collector. Let's begin with what the price is currently showing us. Uniswap is currently showing a 13.4% rise over the last 24 hours and is priced near $3.209. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. Gulf Capital Collector gives a forecast of $2.849 by July 4, which would be 11.2% below today. CoinDataFlow projects Uniswap will decline toward $3.07, implying a drop of 4.3%. Digital coin price highlights a scenario where it could move down to $3.204, a decrease estimated at 0.2%. A different prediction by Traders Union expects Uniswap to reach $3.266, an estimated gain of 1.8%. Finally, 30 rates suggests a move to $3.623 by tomorrow, roughly 12.9% above the current price. This is the most lucrative forecast so far. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. We've seen what each analyst expects. Here's how it adds up. Forecast data shows possible changes ranging from a decline of 11.2% to a rise of 12.9%. The final takeaway is that 30 rates expects the top return with 12.9% gain in value by July 4. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $2 and $129 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, digital coin prices forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 98% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Consensus expectation put Uniswap almost unchanged, around $3.202. Let's go a little deeper. The consensus projection suggests a downward move of 0.2%. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. On 1,000, this could line up with a possible $2 increase. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 98%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. Gulf Capital Collector sees Uniswap on a downward slope. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow signals a steady decline. Meanwhile, digital coin price believes the chart points to a decline. Traders Union projects Uniswap trading without major changes. A bullish view also comes from 30 rates, who sees the price advancing. The consensus stance points to Uniswap following a downward course over the next 3 days. Looking across the forecasts, 60% suggest Uniswap will trade lower. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. In the end, the price reached $3.179. With this outcome, most analysts were right about the direction. Closest forecast to the actual move came from Traders Union. Let's go deeper into how it played out. The daily move matched 3 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts stayed in profit, but Traders Union took the lead. And now, the recap is on screen. All forecast outcomes together. For context, CoinCodex shows 1% ROI and accuracy. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Here's how analysts expect the different cryptocurrencies to perform tomorrow compared to Uniswap. Uniswap isn't on top this time as Bonk leads with 2.2%. Here we're looking at Uniswap and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison is already published on my website. Okay guys, that's it. Subscribe and stay ready before the next move happens. Until next time.